Welcome back. In this clip we will set up our flashlights. Make a new map and just call it like this. Create something simple like this. And as we learned in the previous video, we need to darken the environment first. For this I just copied the character for the environment lighting on this map. We need to do this to see our lights better. Here are also the plugin commands that are used for this in case you didn't watch the last video. So in this clip we will use our player as target. Of course you can choose any different targets that you like, but in this case we want to use the player where the flashlight will be emitted from. So let's create a event, and to create a flashlight you begin with MV3D, then followed by the target, in our case the player, then flashlight, and then we need a color for our flashlight. For this I will use a really bright yellow color. Let's test out how this looks like. Let's darken the environment and then let's attach the flashlight to our player. And as you can see, wherever we are facing, the flashlight will also face. Next, what we will learn is about the intensity. So, to increase the intensity of our flashlight, we begin again with MV3D, then target the player, then flashlight, and followed by intensity, like this. And we will increase it by 2 over 1 second. Let's copy this, so we will have a second version that will decrease the values. Also, we can change the distance of the flashlight. Let's also create a plugin command for that. Dist and then plus 2. We will increase it with by the same value. Take the intensity. And on the second one we will decrease it again. Let's now test out how quickly we can change the size of our flashlight. Let's increase it. First let's increase the intensity. You notice that the beam becomes brighter the higher the value. And the more we decrease it, the lesser bright it will be. Also let's increase the distance, and this will, as you can see, increase the range of the light. And here we can decrease it again. Like this. Don't decrease it too much or it will create some weird errors. Try to avoid this. Also, we can change the angle of our flashlight, and this will change the width of the beam. So let's write MV3D, specify the target, again flashlight and then angle. And for this we have to write in a input, and this will be taken as degrees. So let's increase the angle by 5 over 1 second. Different character, and also change here on the second version the value to a negative value. So let's test this. Let's increase our light a little to see it better. Now, the higher the angle, the brighter, as you can see, the flashlight will be. And this is how easy you can increase the width of your flashlight. And here you can decrease it also. Back. So, also, you can change all the values at once with one plugin command. For this, we will first need the color, followed by the intensity, and now let's set the intensity on 15, and then followed by the distance, set it to 12, and also the angle, let's use 90 degrees, and everything should change over 3 seconds. And actually I want to use a different color because this is the same one like I've copied, pasted before. Let's use a orange color for this. And now let's see how this will change all the values at once. And this is how quickly you can create a flashlight like this. I hope this video was helpful for you. In the next video, we will learn how to set up a ceiling.